Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar Solo Marketer here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to promote products from the System.io marketplace. So the first thing you obviously want to do is you want to go to System.io, or just click the link in the description below so you get you get to create a free System.io account, and that's going to give you access to the affiliate marketplace with all the hundreds, thousands of different products, and also the System.io account itself, which you can sign up for no credit card, free forever, right? You have like a limit of like 3 funnels, whatever. Free account is completely fine, and just you can use that. And once you start making some money, you can upgrade to a paid one, but it's not mandatory, so you can use a free account forever. Okay, so once you have created your account, which shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes, and actually you're logged in, let's go and find a product. Let's go to the affiliate marketplace. I'm going to show you like a quick overview and how to get your affiliate link that you can promote. So let's go to the affiliate marketplace over here. Now let's click on marketplace. I'm going to open it in a separate tab because we're going to need this. So let's go to marketplace, and here you can see there's just a bunch of products, right? You can just kind of scroll through. You can see their statistics here, last 30 days, how much people have made in commissions, and all time. These are like the newest ones. That's why they don't have any commissions. Over here you can see categories, right? So that's kind of, that's one of the filters. Also, you can go and check out affiliate programs over here. These are like specific affiliates. So I'm going to use myself just as an example because, all the other products, there's like, there's a ton of them. So I'm just going to go with the low hanging fruit. I'm just going to show you how I would do it with my product. So over here, as you can see, there's some products. So what we can do is they're like, oh, there's different types. So let's go with, oh, I don't know. Let's do this one. So there's usually going to be, this one will always be the case. There will always be a sales page link, right? Straight to the offer. Sometimes there will be an opt-in page link as well, where you can just kind of get leads for people. And then later down the line, if the lead purchases, then you get a commission. Here you can see what the commission structure is. First tier, second tier. Usually it's just first tier. Second tier is I don't know, it's more like an MLM thing, but I guess in affiliate marketing, you sometimes see that. And then you can see the commissions as well. And over here, usually there's going to be a description. In my case, you can also like send an email, ask a question, all that stuff. Make sure to check, with the affiliate itself, view vendor. You can see what the minimum payout is, and usually there's like a payout delay as well, because if there's a 30-day money back, like in this case, there's going to be at least a 30-day delay in the payout, even if you have the amount, because there might be refunds, right? So that's kind of the short version. So let's go click on back. And to get the sales page link, you want to click on promote offer on this button. And then you're going to be getting this link, right? So this is the original link over here. And this is your affiliate ID, your personal specific affiliate ID. This gets attached automatically, and this is uniquely yours. Make sure to use this whole link. Just copy, paste it, right? And here's the sales page. You can go check it out. So you can go and promote your sales page as is. And that's what the regular affiliate marketer would do. And they would just start, spamming the link everywhere or just promote it to whomever. But we're going to be smarter than that. We're not just going to promote this and that's it. We're just going to be throwing the link around. That usually doesn't work that well. We will actually be doing it in a way that lets affiliate marketers make on average 67% more with barely any more work. It just, in the long run, is just a much better idea. And what we need to do first is, before we send people to this page, we want to capture their email address first. We want to add people to our mailing list, and then we can present the offer. And the big question is why? Yeah, we want endless follow-up opportunities, not just this one time. Because in this case, if we send them to a page, 99% say no. That's it. That was your only shot. You blew it. Especially if it's with people you don't know or who don't know you, then it's just a lot of, it's a bucket with many holes. But if you capture the lead, you can do endless follow-up with this offer, with different other offers. You get more opportunities. So instead of like 1% rate, it's going to be much higher, hopefully. So yeah, that's why we collect the email address first, and then we send them to the affiliate offer. And how do we do that? With a simple 2-step funnel. So what does it look like? This funnel that I'll be showing you, it's for a different product, but it can be used for any affiliate product. And Don't worry, there will be a free template down below that you can sign up for. Now I'm just going to show you what it looks like, kind of what the meaning of it is, and then you can just claim the template and you just make it your own for whatever your product is from the System.io affiliate marketplace, or maybe some other marketplace, but whichever one, whichever affiliate product you're promoting. So this is first, it's a two-step funnel. This is the landing page, right? It's basically just a simple capture page. The form can be just right here, or it can be under a pop-up. It doesn't matter. Both are fine. And then once they sign up, there's a bridge page. They're like, okay, thank you for giving us your email. Here's your video. And then you click on it. This is actually linked, the button and the kind of the screenshot. You don't need this one, but they're both linked to the actual affiliate offer, which is this thing. Right? So they actually linked to this. So first we capture the email, which is the squeeze page here. Then there's like the thank you bridge page type of thing. It's like congratulations. And then we send them to the sales page, right? You see there's like 2 steps before that. So yeah, basically the whole point is just to reemphasize, if they don't buy right away, which is like 99% of the people, if not even more, we can do endless email follow-up at no extra cost. It's a free System.io account, right? So you can just, I think the free account had 2,500 leads, which is more than enough, right? If you're starting out. And yeah, as opposed to just continuing chasing people for this one impression, just like, maybe they'll buy it, maybe they won't, and 99% failure rate, we can keep doing follow-up. And as I mentioned before, you can get this funnel for free down below, pin comment, probably first link in the description. Also, there should be a couple of videos popping up on other funnel building related stuff. Make sure to go check that out. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye.